Hi guys! Say hi!
I can't wait to leave.
Hello guys! We are now heading to Durat Al Riyadh Resort and Spa for Lex's birthday! Come here, birthday boy! Come here! Yeah, we will go to the swimming pool! So, ayun guys. Tatry ko lang mag-vlog today. So, we're gonna celebrate Lex's birthday in advance. And we're gonna stay in Durat Al Riyadh Resort and Spa. So, that's it. See you later. Bye, Daddy. Daddy's driving. Hello guys! So we're here. Dito na kami. Pasok. Okay. Wow!
Hello
Hi
guys.
So nandito na kami ngayon sa hotel pero naghihintay pa kami. Kasi meron pang mga nakapila for check-in. So, nakita ko sa inyo yung hotel. Ito siya, look at Lex.
Swimming pool, swimming.
He's excited to swim.
Let's go to swimming pool.
Ayan siya, ayan yung reception area.
Let's go, let's
Yeah, anak.
Let's go.
Ayan.
Let's go to pool. Let's go to pool, mommy.
Mamaya.
Pool. Let's go to pool. Let's go to pool.
Ayan siya,
Let's go to
guys.
pool, mommy. Let's go to pool.
So, mamaya itutoy namin kayo.
Let's go
Pero
to
ngayon,
pool.
mag-check-in muna kami.
Let's go
Okay?
to pool, daddy.
Let's go to pool. Excited to see birthday boy.
Let's
eh.
go.
Excited? Are you excited? Say bye, guys.
Let's go to pool.
Yes, we will go to the pool. Bye.
2 hours later.
So, guys, ayan. Pupunta na kami sa room namin. Look at the painting here. Ang ganda. Oh, wow. Sabi ng bata. Later. Come. Kasi nakakita siya ng mga toys. You see? Oh, amazed na amazed siya. So, close to the elevator. Come here, B. Wow. Look at our room, guys. We're here. Yan ang aming CR. Okay. Ang ganda niya, guys. Very nice. Ito ko, ang ganda ko. And this is our room. Wow! Ganda guys, ang laki. So, guys, meron kami ng gamit. And we will come back to you. Let's see our veranda. Para din siyang Novotel. Yung stay namin before sa Bahrain. Yan, may veranda din siya. So, that's it.
3 hours later.
So, hello guys! Andito na kami sa swimming pool, but unfortunately, hindi pala ako pwede mag-swimming. So, eto na lang yung nagsiswimming yung dalawa. Ayan sila. Say hi, guys! Guys, say hi! Daddy, say hi! Ayan, kasama si Pogi. Yung batang Pogi. So, ayan yung swimming pool nila. Ang ganda, diba? Ayan siya, oh. Enjoy na enjoy si Lex. Ayan. Ito yung place. Ayan, yung room namin dun sa taas. So, ayun siya. Guys, turo ko kayo. Marami ditong swimming pool. Ito lang yung isang swimming pool for family. Pero marami siya. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-ikot. So, dumiretso kami sa swimming pool. Kasi sobrang excited ni Lex. Walang gusto niya mag-swimming. See? Enjoy na enjoy siya, oh. Baby! Say hi! Are you happy? Wow!
Are you happy?
So, meron ding swimming pool for ladies, pero hindi ko alam kung saan. And ayoko din mag-swimming pag ako lang mag-isa. So, mamaya tour ulit namin kayo, guys. Bye! Bye! Say bye! Swimming muna sila. Lexi! Hi, guys! Yan, ito kami, namamasyal. Say hi, baby, ah. Hi. Hi, ito si Lexa. Minsan na makablabas sa Saudi. Ayun yung mga rooms nila, oh. Ganda. Malalaki siya. Gandun pa siya. Sa dulo. Ah, ang dami pala. Doon lang kami sa bungad. Ayun siya, oh. Oo nga, eh. Doon tayo sa falls muna. Check natin yung falls. Doon yung parang, doon yung biking yata, Daddy, kasi pwede mag-bike, eh. Pwede din daw mag-bike dito, kaso may bayad. Wala kaming pambayad. Nak, look, oh, yung falls, oh, be, oh. Yan. May falls din siya. Ito yung mga villa. Ayan, kasi sobrang mahal niya. Hindi namin afford. Hindi, villa yan. May, ano yan, may private pool. Ito, yung mga villa nila, may private pool siya. Pero, pang mayaman lang siya, guys. Hindi siya pang masa. Hi guys, morning. Si birthday boy, tulog na tulog pa. Masarap ng tulog. So, ang sarap ng tulog namin. And later mag-breakfast kami. So, one night lang kami dito and mamaya mag-check out na din kami. Mag-swimming ulit si Lex mamaya and ikot-ikot kami. So, try namin na itour ulit kayo mamaya, guys. And for now, babangon na kami. Bangon na, guys. Para makapag-breakfast na. See you later. Woke up like this. Bye-bye.
A few inches later.
So guys, yan, pasok na kami to grab some breakfast. Yan, look. And here's the coffee. You want to make some coffee. And then cereals if you want. There's the cereal corner. And then this is the juice corner, fruits. Kain muna kami guys and we will see kung anong mapipili namin. Bye!
So cold.
Hello guys! Hi! Say hi baby! Hi daddy!
Hello.
So guys, ito na, pauwi na kami. Nag-check out na kami today. So, one night lang kami and 2 days. And ayan, ayun yung room namin, no? Upstairs. So, bye! Durat Al Riyadh. Until next time, sana makabalik pa. So, that's it guys. Sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa aming video. And, sana yung mga family makapunta din kayo dito. Kahit hindi family, masarap siya, maganda. Bye!